Now, Acts 3 and verse 21. Speaking of Jesus, whom the heavens must receive until the time of restitution of all things, which God has spoken by the mouth of all holy prophets since the world began. The restitution, the restoring of all things. God is going to restore back to its original condition. He's going to restore it back, a perfect world. Now, I like restoring things. I restored an old 1977 Suzuki GS 550. It's a motorcycle. And it's over 40 years old. And I bought that thing because it's got a kick start. I mean, it's got electric start, but it's one of those few bikes that still has a kick start on it. And I restored it. And boy, am I proud of it. We like restoring old things. You know, maybe you're a man, you got a car. You don't have to be a man, you can be a woman. You know, but you like restoring things. Well, God is going to restore back to the world, to a perfect world. Revelation 21 and verse 4, and God shall wipe away all tears from their eyes. There shall be no more death, no more sorrow, no more crying, neither shall there be any more pain, for the former things are passed away. Can you relate to that? Can you relate to a world where there is no more tears, no more crying, no more sorrow, no more death, no more pain, no more suffering? Can you relate to that? You know, thy kingdom come. A glimpse of tomorrow's world. You know, I actually have a piece of paper here. I'm not going to read it for you, but you can hang it on your wall or put it in a picture frame. It's called A Glimpse of Tomorrow's World. It just goes through a pile of scriptures about tomorrow's world, what it's going to be like. And you ever get discouraged, you might want to read that. Yeah, I'll send that to you free of charge. I'm not going to charge you anything. Not going to sell your name to a mailing list. You just get it, and that's it. And you won't hear from me anymore. But I'll send that to you free of charge. Everything I do, I give away free. Okay? Compare that to other ministries. All right. Now, there's a teaching that says, instead of Christ returning to this earth to establish the kingdom on this earth, that people flit away to heaven, one person at a time, when they die.
Check us out on the web at isthatreallyinthebible.com.